Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a set of steps on our Jeep Gladiator. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. We're going to start the day off by installing the brackets on the steps. There's three of them. They're labeled A, B, and C. A goes to the short end. You stick them on here. Start your screw. That's this one assembled. Now we're going to assemble the next one. Sometimes the powder will get into the threads. If I can get it started, I'll just start one of the bolts, run it down, back it back out, and that usually clears all the powder out. In some of the more extreme cases, I have had to get a tap to get it out, but generally usually just a bolt running down. Just make sure you don't get it cross-threaded right to start with. You run it in and out a couple times and that'll get the powder out. Alright, that's all 6 installed. Now we're going to set these aside and pull the truck in and start pulling the factory rock sliders off. Okay, we've got the truck in here now. We're fixing to pull off the factory slider. It's got 4 mounts on it, so that's what we're fixing to do now. That's the last nut. Let's see if we can get it off. It's a lot heavier than the ones on the JK. We've got the old one out of the way. Now we've got to pick this one up, mount it up. It's a 2-man job, so my camera lady here is going to put it on the tripod. We're going to see what we got. We've got this side installed now. Everything's tightened up and buttoned up. I like how they look. All that's left is do the other side, which won't take long. We'll get that side installed and we'll show you what they look like outside. Well, that winds up the install. It went pretty well. Didn't have any major hiccups. I like them so far. I hope you enjoyed the show. Like and subscribe and follow for more.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.